Television TV.
Tashar sahihin labarai
na gaskiya.
Danna subscribe kana ka danna ƙararrawar sanarwa domin samun sababbin shirye-shiryenmu
da zaran mun daura.
Duk shekara ana happy Independence Day. Wannan shekarar ta zo da sabon yanayi inda kaf cikin kannywood iya mutane biyu ne suka yi happy Independence Day daga maryam yahaya sai rahama sadau. Rahama sadau ta yi wani bayani inda take cewa da turanci,
To all my Nigerians, happy Independence Day. As we celebrate Nigeria at 64, I am wishing you a joyous Independence Day filled with pride, love, and happiness. May this Independence Day inspire you to cherish the freedom we have and honor those who fought for it. Let's celebrate the freedom that we enjoy today in grand style. Are you ready for the merriment coming your way? Nazo muku da garabasa. Make a video of yourself in your traditional attire, be it Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Fulani, saying I love you in 3 different languages. And don't forget to use the hashtag MyNigeria, and I would select winners randomly. Let's go!